Ever wondered how to use two monitors with one computer? Picture this, one screen for your work and the other for your favorite music playlist or perhaps a tutorial video. Well, today we're going to dive into the process of setting up a dual monitor system. It's easier than it might sound, and the productivity benefits are enormous. Step 1. Check the computer's capabilities. Not every computer can support dual monitors out of the box. To find out if yours does, look for at least two video outputs. These could be HDMI, VGA, DVI, or DisplayPort. Step 2 involves acquiring the necessary hardware. If the computer already has multiple video outputs, all you need is another monitor and the correct cable. If not, you'll need a dual monitor adapter. This device splits the video signal from your computer into two, allowing you to connect a second monitor. Moving on to step 3. Connect the monitors. Plug one end of the cable into the video output of the computer and the other end into the monitor. If you're using a dual monitor adapter, connect it to the computer first, then connect the monitors to the adapter. Step 4 is all about configuring the display settings. On a Windows machine, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. If you're using a Mac, go to System Preferences, then Displays. Here you can adjust the resolution of each monitor and decide if you want them to mirror each other or extend the desktop. Step 5, and the final one, is to arrange the monitors. In the display settings, you can drag and drop the monitor icons to match the physical setup on your desk. This ensures that when you move your mouse from one screen to the other, it appears on the correct side. To summarize, setting up a dual monitor system involves checking your computer's capabilities, acquiring the necessary hardware, connecting the monitors, configuring the display settings, and arranging the monitors. It may seem like a lot of steps, but each one is fairly straightforward, and the benefits of having two monitors are well worth the effort. Imagine being able to work on a spreadsheet while having your email open on the other screen, or coding on one monitor while researching on the other. The possibilities are endless, and with this guide, you're well on your way to a more productive and efficient work environment.